Hello fan collectors, Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here. And what we have here today is a Homestead Universal Monterrey. It's a 29-incher. 3 speeds. It's on forward, okay. So this thing has bad bearings. Let me go back from the start. Got this from the Russian Fazbear. I don't remember the price. Yeah. Got this at Fanimation from him, obviously. Well, never mind. Like, don't remember the date on it. That's the thing. Let's get that Homestead logo. Universal fan. So yeah. Does have the original mounting. This one actually, it actually stays in place. So the one, I think the first ever mounting I got for a Homestead Universal just was defective. I don't know, but all I know is that this one seems to be staying in place, which is obviously pretty good. So yeah, let's put this on low. It's on a it's also on a 3-speed wall control, so the bearings are shot on this poor thing. So yeah. It's hot in here. Holy crap. There's no ventilation in here, so that's why I put this in here. I think it was a good idea. Medium. Yeah, it's making some noise. Bearings are shot. You can definitely hear them. does have a little wobble on high though. There's high. Speaking of which, I gotta shoot some oil into the bearings. I think the top one especially so. Turn it off by the 3 speeds on the slide. This 3-speed slide switch. So that's what I'm going to use for reverse. As you may have noticed, it did have a loud hum. So yeah, had a loud hum. I added the medallion. I think you guys have seen the past couple fans that have been in here. So, but the medallion's still up there. Yeah, there's your spin down. It's pretty stiff. Now, since it does not have a light, I removed that switch. So here's low reverse. And I'll do low plus low at the end. See if it will do anything. See if it'll run well. See if it'll go on low plus low. That's the question because of the way the bearings are. So I've tried it a couple times and it has worked. So here's medium reverse on the wall control. And high. Sheesh, them bearings are loud. Once the bearings are fine, I'll leave it running on medium reverse. All right. Now let's do 0 to high on forward. There's the top shot as well. Just your typical universal, except the size is 29 inches. Antique brass as well. Yeah, those bearings are shot. Looks like a little fly just came in here. Alright, now time for the special part, which is low plus low. Oh, and it's stalled. Okay, it's barely going. Yeah, it's stalled. Medium plus low. Ooh. Let's see what reverse will do. If we flip it in reverse. It's trying hard. Yeah, it's definitely gonna need some oil. Been leaving it running on medium reverse for a little while now. Oh, there it goes. Is it? Yeah, it's on low plus low, so yeah, it seems to be doing its job. It seems to be running pretty well in reverse, but not on forward though. I'll let this keep running on medium reverse on the pull chains. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, I have more videos coming. Have a great day, folks, and peace.